Sipping honey cause my heart's frozen. Stunning shade cause we all.
So today I'm going to be doing a glitter cut crease with the Stila glitter on the go eyeshadows. I just found this at Sephora. I know they've been out for a while, but I don't have money like that to be buying 3 and 4 at the same time, and I really like that they had these. I really like that they had these for $25 for 3, and they're reasonably sized because the original ones aren't that big either. So 3 of them for the price of 1 is really great to me. So I'm going to go ahead and start this tutorial. I'm talking too much, and if you see me looking over here, my mirror is this way, and I'm also watching my new show, Life Sentence. So good, so good, y'all gotta watch it. I'm not even gonna lie to you, like, this is one of the best shows that I watched. It's so good, like, and the men in this show is so fun. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I freaking love it. I don't do anything grungy, and this is so grungy. Like, this is super grunge. The brown, like deep black brown lip is everything. Like, I have so many Milani lipsticks, and I've never ever used double espresso, and I think this is now one of my favorite lips. And I'm definitely going to do this lip combo that I did with the two liners and the lipstick. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, if you guys could see like the gold reflex, like it's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Anyways, so I really love this eye look. It came out super cute. Like, it was so cute. Like, y'all, this green though, this green from this palette, Jacqueline, honey, I need your other palettes when they come out, okay? Because I saw that green and I really want to start playing in green, like everything. These lashes, these are 3 or 4 lashes from Broadway. If you guys know what those are like the hair store lashes that you can get for $1. And just everything looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so, I just flattened my hair. It looks so good. I'm in love with this 100%, and I can't wait to take my pictures because I know they're about to be bomb. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, I am in a mood where I want to get as much content out as possible. I know I always say stuff and then I get into a funk because I get uncreative and I just feel like I'm not going anywhere, but I'm telling you right now, like, the ideas are flowing, the creativity is there. Like, I'm so ready, and fall and back to school is about to come up. Like, I'm about to be putting out a whole bunch of videos for y'all, and you might see this shirt in the next video or the next 2 or 3 videos because I'm not changing my shirt, but I am going to be changing up the looks. If you guys love this video, don't forget to like this video, please, and tell your mom, your aunts, your uncles, your cousins to subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Like, you guys, by the end of this year, I want to at least get 3,000 subscribers. Like, at least December, we trying to get 3,000 subscribers at least. And then next year we're gonna shoot for the stars, and by next year I want to get 100,000 subscribers, and we're just gonna keep pressing. Like, with God and consistency and the drive, like, I'm just gonna continue to post and continue to upload until you guys see my worth and you fall in love and we become a family and all that. Okay, I mean, action. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.